Track weather first alert.
Alert issued just before this newscast, and we are under that first alert to prepare you for colder temperatures arriving in the borderland. Probably a lot of you thinking, what are you talking about? It already is cold out there.
Yeah, especially on the west side of town. You know, I'm thinking about once I get done with this weathercast, go ahead and start my car, let it warm up. Get it all set, nice and toasty. How does that sound?
Good idea.
Yeah, it's cold out there, and it's going to get colder. I mean, you look at temperatures throughout the entire region. I mean, Phoenix and Tucson, pretty chilly. We got Flagstaff at 24. Look at Albuquerque, 28. We're 36. We have 30 in Lubbock, 31 Midland, Odessa. Look at Amarillo at 30. By the way, they did pick up some light snow earlier today. But it's going to continue to be cold, and here's what we're talking about. Thursday morning, tomorrow morning, we're going to be in the upper 20s, and then look here, 24 degrees expected by Friday morning before we gradually start to see those overnight lows get a little bit warmer. Now, the coldest it's been for the entire year so far, we hit 24 January 11th. Now, the coldest in 2019, 24, and the coldest in 2018, we're talking about those overnight lows, at 21 degrees. Of course, 2011, we got down to 1 above. Remember that in February, but not going to get quite that cold, but we're going to be looking at some upper teens and low 20s by your Friday morning. All right, here's the overnight lows in Anthony tomorrow, 26. Look at Socorro at 30, Fabens at 27. Now, we'll gradually warm up. We'll have some morning clouds in here. Then I think by maybe 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to gradually clear the skies, but it will be chilly. We'll be in the 40s. We hit 49 for the high temperature today. We'll be a little colder than that for tomorrow. Look at Vado at 22. Chaparral at 25. Santa Teresa down to 27 by tomorrow morning. And your high temperature is going to be in the mid-40s area-wide. All right, here's a look at our latest Future Track computer model. Notice some of the clouds hanging around tomorrow morning. They'll dive down to the south. We'll have gradual clearing skies. But, again, the story is just going to be a cold day throughout the day. The winds will not be quite as strong as what we're seeing now. They'll gradually weaken. Once we head into Friday, lunchtime, we'll be dealing with mainly sunny skies. Temperature's going to be, still hanging out in the 40s and the lower 50s. We may see a few clouds move in here for the weekend, at least on Saturday, but I think all in all, we'll still have a fairly nice weekend for you. So 28 will be the overnight low. Again, the winds are out of the east with gustier conditions for you west siders. You can certainly hear the winds, and if you step outside, boy, the winds really have a bite with the cold air in place as well. 46 degrees will be the high temperature for tomorrow. Las Cruces down to 24 overnight. Your high will make it up to 45. Now watch over the next several days. 53 in here on Friday, but starting off very cold. Again, 24. Then 60 on Saturday. The weekend not looking too bad. 62 on Sunday. We'll gradually see those temperatures hanging out in the low 60s, which is actually a little bit above the average for this time of year. So